Today I am going to share Eid special Turkish Kofte Kebab, beef kebab. It's so easy and less ingredients needed. Beef keema 1 kilogram. It has little fat. Here I have green chili 8/10 pieces, garlic, cloves 10/12 pieces, for onion small, coriander leaf, bell pepper to red, garlic cloves, onion, bell pepper, green chili. Chop it. Add coriander leaf. Chop. Add beef keema. Ginger paste 1.5 tablespoon. Black pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Crushed coriander 1 tablespoon. Baking soda 1 teaspoon. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Salt to taste. Breadcrumbs, a half cup. Chop everything together. Done. Transfer to the plate. All done. Oil 3 tablespoons. Everything mixed together. Done. Spread the oil over the hand. Make a kebab. Press with fingers. Traditionally, Turkish kofte shape is like this. Done. Some of kebab I put in the freezer. You can freeze up to month. Oil for fry. Spread the oil. Fry 10 to 12 minutes on medium heat. Flip. Done. Here is some bell pepper and onion, cherry tomato. Roast them. Decorate. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.